I listened to this song at work today and thought it would be a really good song for the catwalk. Someone requested Genesis a while ago too, so it covers that. The only thing about the cats is the way that they walk. That's why it's a good catwalk song. I can't dance and I can't talk. The thing about the cats is the way that they walk. I did about 40 minutes of optional class. And after this catwalk, I think I'll go to the hot tub before football.